up, y'all? So I am back here with another exciting video for you guys, and in today's video it's going to be really exciting because I am collaborating with Temu. So shout out to Temu for sponsoring today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing everything that they sent me, and I'm also going to give you guys my honest review. So here's the big bag right here. Kind of, you know, it's been through a lot to get here, but it's here. I'm super excited to try on some of the items that they gave me and show you guys what's in this bag. So I'm just going to give you guys a little quick introduction on what Temu exactly is. Temu is an online marketplace where they sell clothes, home decor, pet supplies, electronics, shoes, pretty much anything you can think of. They sell these things at a very low affordable price. When you go on their website, there's so much things to look at. Like, you'll be on the website all day looking and putting things in your cart. Plus, Temu has free shipping, and they also have free returns up to 90 days. They also accept all major credit cards and debit cards, as well as electronic payments. Best thing about their website is that they sell top-notch, high-quality items. So after the video, what I need you guys to do is to go to Temu.com because they have a massive spring sale going on right now where you can get up to 90% off of the items that you purchase. Also, if you're interested in any of these items that I'm showing you guys in this video, the links will be in the description box below. Plus, you can get an additional 30% off of the items thanks to me, because I have a special discount code for you guys in the description box, so make sure you go and check that out. Look, y'all, I cannot wait to show you guys what's inside. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let me go in the bag and just pick out some stuff. All right, y'all, so I finally got myself a cute hairspray misting bottle. It's so cute. Like, this is my first time actually getting one of these. I like the fact that it's small. I can throw this in my suitcase because they have different sizes and it's not big and bulky. I've been using water to retwist my locks lately, so this will come in handy for sure. So I'm definitely going to be using this. So let's see what else we got. Next thing that I picked out is this Fit Me Matte Finish finishing spray for face and body right here. Like, lately I've been doing my makeup more often because my skin isn't the best right now. So right now I have on a little bit of concealer and, you know, all of that. So this will come in handy for sure. I've been meaning to get a setting spray for my face. I wish I picked out not a matte one, a dewy one. I prefer the dewy finishing spray, but this one works just fine. I actually been using this for the past couple days now. So this was so affordable. They sell these for like almost like for 15 bucks if you go to Walmart or if you go to Sephora. So I mean, you can't beat the price for this. Next thing that I got is I got an edge control brush. Most of these things I have not opened yet, so I'm just gonna open it on camera for y'all, give y'all a little ASMR, you know, the little sound effects and all of that. But yeah, I got this cute little brush right here. It comes with the bristles right here and has like a little tiny comb. For years now I've been using old toothbrushes to do my edges, but this right here will come in handy for sure. I'm excited to try this. Oh, and it's really flexible too. All right, so let's open up the next product that I picked out. Okay, so y'all know that I love my bonnets, right? So I decided to get me two brand new nice long, well, extra long bonnets. It's kind of similar to the one I have right now, but it's really old, and I'm happy that I picked out some new ones because, you know, I was overdue for a new bonnet. So it comes in a pack of two. It's so cute. I got the cheetah one and I got a black one. Love it, love it. And I like how this one is more lightweight. Like, it's really lightweight and it's stretchy too. It comes with the band. It comes with a stretchy band so that you know, you can put it on your edges and that it kind of stays secure on your head at night and it doesn't like come off when you're sleeping at nighttime. So I love that. Yeah, this one is like, I like how it's silky and soft, and it doesn't feel heavy at all because my hair, I already have so much hair already, and I'm not trying to add more weight onto my hair because I already have a lot going on. So yeah, I love these. So the next thing that I got is, so I got this tea tree super serum. It has tea tree oil in it, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, retinol. So for those of you that don't know, I'm big on skincare, and tea tree is a really good a natural oil to use on your face. So I'm here for this right here. Like, I cannot wait to try this. Ooh, and it smells really good. I'm not gonna lie, the smell is amazing. So this next thing that I'm gonna show you guys, I literally randomly picked this out because it just was there and I was like, okay, let me try this out. I never had one before because I normally use my toothbrushes to clean my tongue, but I see a lot of people have been using these tongue scrapers. The reviews on this tongue scraper on the website, it was all good reviews, so I was like, you know what, let me try this. And that's how it looks. You know what's crazy? There's some people out there that don't brush their tongue. Like, what? No. It feels really, really like sturdy too, because I'm gonna be brushing my tongue hella hard. All right, so the next thing is I got this eyelash and eyebrow serum. Let me open this, show y'all. We got dogs barking in the background, and it's just like, what is going on? Eyelash growth and eyebrow enhancer. I cannot wait to use this because I don't wear any lash extensions. I always wear my natural lashes, so I cannot wait to use this to help my lashes grow longer than they are already. Ooh, and the bottle's fancy, y'all. The bottle is so nice and clear and pretty. I'm trying to get my lashes to grow. Like, I want them to grow more and more and more. So this next product that I got is I believe it's a lips. Yeah, I picked out 2 lip glosses. So this one is called Lightening. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but it's light gloss, and the color is, it just has a number. I think it's like a pink. A real nice color. Let me open it up. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like a candy. I'm not sure what candy I'm smelling, but it smells so good. Let me do a swatch for y'all. The color is so pretty and it smells amazing. I cannot wait to try this. Like, and it's not sticky too. So I picked out another lip gloss because I kind of ran out of lip glosses here. It comes in a cute green box. This is so cute, y'all. Let me show you. Yeah, they had different flavors. This one is avocado. It smells good, but it's not as strong as the other one. And I love the little stick to put on your lips. It's so cute. Fun fact, I do not own any makeup brushes. I always use my fingers because when it comes to my makeup, it's very minimal and I don't use a lot anyways. I feel like I don't need makeup brushes, but now I feel like I've been doing my makeup more often. I feel like this will come in handy. So it's a 13-piece set and it comes with this little cute bag right here. So this is the makeup brushes right here. It's a lot, actually. And they're so soft, and I love the color. They have different colors you can choose from. So the next thing I got is a bunch of little hair bands. Come in black, brown, cream, and yeah, those are the colors. It comes in a pack of 50. When it comes to using hair ties in my hair, I love using anything that's soft because you don't want to use nothing that's too rough. It will rip like your hair out. So when I seen these on the website, I thought they would be a lot bigger, but they're actually smaller in person, but they do stretch. Like, look. They stretch a lot, so that's a good thing. I definitely will be using these in my hair whenever I wear my hair half up and half down. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is press-on nails. I did not realize that I picked out 3 different types of press-on nails. Like, but I'm happy though because I love the look of fake nails, but when it comes to taking off your nails, it just damages your nails and it's not cute. So I decided to start wearing press-ons because it does not damage your nail and it's cheaper because who wants to go to the nail salon every time? Getting your nails done is expensive, first of all. So this one has like little mini moons and X's and clouds on it. It's really cute. It's really cute. I love the colors. Yeah, so it comes with 24 pieces, which is good. The next one I got is like a jelly pink. Really cute. Then the next color I got is, it's a more clear kind of color. It's really cute. It's a more natural look. I picked out this because for those of you that don't know, I shave the back of my head, and most of the time my boyfriend, he shaves the back of it for me whenever it grows a lot. So I picked out this HTC rechargeable hair trimmer. Yeah, so I already tested this out already, and when I tell y'all, the quality is so amazing and the price is even better. It's like if you go to Walmart or anywhere else, you will definitely be paying an arm and a leg for this, but on Temu they give you guys a really good deal on this shaver. So it just comes with a couple pieces, and the shaver right here. Show you guys. Yeah, like my boyfriend has a beard, so whenever he wants he can use it as well to shave his beard. Y'all hear that? And I love how it's so small and it's not heavy, and you can travel with it as well. Very, very, very good quality. Like when I say this is amazing quality, it's amazing quality. This next item that is for my boyfriend because he has a beard, and you know when men shave their beard and they make a mess all over the sink, nobody got time for that. So I was like, okay, let me pick this up for him so that he has less work to clean up whenever he's done shaving his beard, because when men shave their beard they make a mess and it's not cute. And who has to clean it up? Me. I mean, he cleans it up, but like obviously he's gonna leave, he might leave a couple hairs in the sink that he missed, but this will save him a lot of time. So it's a men's wall shaving apron. So basically what it is they put it on their neck like an apron, and they stick it onto the mirror so that when they shave their beard, all of the hairs drop inside of this instead of it getting all over the sink and all of that. So I feel like this was a really good find on Temu.com because yeah, this will come in handy. Ladies, if you got a man and he got a beard and he makes a mess whenever he shaves his beard, y'all need to go and get this because yeah, just get it. I do not remember picking these out on the website because I don't really wear these in my hair, but it's really cute. These are really cute for like a photo shoot or whatever. Like if I want to do my hair all fancy, I can put these in my hair. This is another skincare product and I thought it was very interesting. So it's the brand is Lightening. I'm not sure how to pronounce this word, but I know that it helps naturally lighten up any blemishes you might have on your face. It comes with vitamin C, kojic acid, intensive lightening facial serum, 2%. So I cannot wait to try this. Let me smell it. It actually smells really, really good. Like the smell isn't overpowering. It just smells really, really like nice and sweet. The bottle is made out of, yeah, it's made out of glass. All right, so the next thing that I picked out, it says 24-hour discolor liquid foundation, naturally flawless lightweight fill. Let me open it up and see. Ooh, it's kind of like lotion. It smells really good. All right, so after this I have 3 more things to show you. I'm saving the best for last. Those things I'm gonna try on for you guys on camera, so keep on watching. All right, so I got a 7-piece stainless steel nail clipper set grooming set tool case. So it comes with 2 different types of nail clippers, scissors, some little things to cut your cuticles, a nail file. This is so cute, and I love the fact that it's so tiny. Like I love small things. You can travel with this, you can throw it inside your purse. Let me show you how small it is from here. It's so tiny. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is I got these cute sports leggings for me to work out in because I have been working out a lot lately. Well, not this past week, but I do work out. I do try to work out like 3 to 4 times a week, so I decided to get me a pair of fitness leggings. So I love the material, and a lot of these women that are into fitness, they always get these tights that make their butt look really nice. And it has that part right here that goes under your butt. It kind of like lifts your butt up a little bit, I don't know, but overall it's a real comfortable fit. No complaints here. I definitely need to pick up more of these leggings because I love how they look. I love how it hugs my body. I love how it hugs my butt. You need to go to their shoe section because all of the shoes on Temu, they're all cute, but something, you know, caught my eye. And it's these cute shoes right here. They kind of remind me of Nike Dunks, the low Nike Dunks, the black and white ones. It comes with 2 laces and it's so cute. This is a size 7, and when I tell y'all, it fits my foot perfect. Love it, love it, love it. Love the color. It's kind of like beige, white, and black and gray. I highly recommend to check these out on the website. Love, love, love these. Okay, yeah, I almost forgot to show y'all this. This right here, I did not even notice it was in the bag because I feel like they just sent me this. I don't don't know. I don't remember picking this out either, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. I've never used one of these in my hair before because I feel like it's not going to work. I have so much hair. I picked up this cute hoodie. Mind you, I'm in Jamaica right now, but the weather been so bipolar. You guys can hear the wind blowing in the background, but it's been extremely windy and coolish in Jamaica right now. Like, it's crazy. I decided to get me a cute hoodie. Oh my god, I love it so much. Look, y'all. And when I say the quality is so good, the zipper goes all the way up. So if you want to be cool and zip your face up or whatever, hide your face, you can do that. And I love the sleeves. Really, I'm not sure what it says, but it's so cute, cozy. Like, it's so warm. Like, honestly, the material feels so nice on my arms. It's not itchy. It just feels really good on my body. All right, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing all of the items that I got from Temu. And like I said earlier, if you want any of these items that I featured in this video, the link will be in the description box below of each product that I showed you guys in this video. And do not forget to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.